Morning everybody, how's everybody? Hope everybody is fine. Today is a lovely day. Look, nice bright sunny day, and it's Ramadan's 5th day. So because I can't do anything because I'm fasting from morning 4 o'clock, and literally I'm really tired now. So the plan is to wash my chickens today. So these are the buckets. This one, and that one. And I have already caught my cockerel. I'm gonna start washing him first in this box. So let's do it. Come on baby, come on baby. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Come on baby. Yeah. Time to go to the third one. It's in my hand now. Let's go inside and dry his feathers. Right, guys, this is my first experience of washing any chicken. So either he will survive or he will let's see what will be the result. Right guys, I am a little bit concerned about him because he is asleep. I put him in the box. He's wrapped in the towel, so I'll leave him for 2 hours and I will get back to you and give you an update. Hopefully, fingers crossed, he will be alright. So for today, I'm gonna have my experience on one chicken only for today. If he survives, if he's alright, then tomorrow I'm gonna start washing one by one. You know, I'm not gonna crack on today on all the chickens. And besides that, I need some space to keep them inside, so they could have some warmth. I mean, I can't just send them out in the air, or they might get sick or something. So I'll update you in 2 hours. Right, time to check on him, guys. Come on, let's explore it. What is he doing? Hello baby, I can hear you. Are you okay? He's still wet. He's still wet, but I'm gonna keep him inside for some more time. Alright, I have checked on him. He is fine. Because the weather is sunny and bright and hot, I'm gonna just let him go out now, okay? Here we go. I need to put on him some Vaseline here. I'm gonna make you look so dashy, my baby. Everybody's gonna love you. Gonna release him now. Your turn will be next, guys. Your turn will be next. He's okay, he's enjoying himself. I'm glad that my try was successful to wash him. Apparently there were 3 stones. Very stones were in his feathers somewhere. So I just pulled them off. I mean, slowly I've just grabbed them off. So well done to me. And whenever the weather is good, I'm gonna catch each one of them and wash them. So if you like my clip, don't forget to thumbs up, click on subscribe here and there. Until next time, you take a good care of yourself. Love you all. Bye.